Here, people like truly don't understand why you should work more. In one of my videos, I told that German social system does not encourage people to work a lot and to earn a lot of money, and people required some explanations. So I will explain it to you right now. First of all, German social system or social protection system. What is usually meant by that? Everybody who stays legally in Germany must have health insurance. And I'm not speaking about health insurance which covers one thing and does not cover another. No, in Germany, your health is fully covered. You will not have situation that if something serious happens with you and you get to hospital and stay there for months, have, for example, some complex surgeries and so on, and after that you have to pay some huge bills. No, it doesn't work like that. Another one, insurance against losing your job. If you lose your job in Germany, not because of your initiative, you get around 67% of your salary for 1 year. Taking into account salaries in Germany, basically those money is enough, I don't know, to go traveling for a couple of months, then after half year, come back home, and in a relaxed mode decide what you're gonna do further. By the way, a lot of Germans do like that. So I can say that losing a job here is not a catastrophe, it's not a disaster at all. What is very important thing here? In Germany, if you are a family with kids, your wife, husband and so on, if only one member of your family works, everybody of your family automatically gets the same insurances. Mostly I'm speaking here about health insurance. So health insurance of all your family members are covered fully, automatically, if only one person works. It doesn't matter how much he or she earns, if he works full-time or part-time, no, everybody gets full access to German health insurance. Another thing mentioned here, it's not about social protection, but very important thing. All education in Germany is free. I'm not speaking about students' loans and things like that. No, it's literally free. You can study from the beginning to the end without paying anything. You don't need to gather money for your children for the college or something like that. Everything is really free. What else? And what is also worth mentioning here that every child in Germany gets this so-called Kindergeld. For today it's around 250 euro each month until the age of 18. And if he continues to study after that, he can get those money for around 2 years more. Every child, automatically. Besides that, for the first 3 years of your child, you will get some additional payments. It results for something like 8,000 euro for these 3 years, but it's also significant money, and this is for each child. Impressed already? This is not everything. If you don't earn enough money in Germany, what can you get in this case? First of all, this so-called Hartz IV. What is it? You can get around 400 euro each month in each of your childs. What else? Another thing, if you don't earn enough money, you have access to the state-sponsored flat renting programs. And I'm not saying here about some low-level social living. No, pretty good flats. For example, if you don't earn enough money, you can get here in Munich pretty decent flats for 50% discount. I know situations when people here, for example, spouses, intentionally left their job in order to qualify to this program, in order to get those nice flats. And for example, I know cases when people got 3 rooms flat in a new building for only 1,200 euro one price. This is like everything included like in this price. This is a crazy thing. Another thing, basically this is not official sometimes, but if you don't earn enough, you get like a priority access to different daycare facilities for children. When you are listening to all of that, don't you feel something like this desire to work hard here and to earn a lot of money starts to slightly melt? By the way, about earning a lot of money, Germany has a progressive income tax system. The more you earn, the more you pay. But let's say immediately, you don't pay here half of your gross salary. This is lies. I can say you just a simple example. If you earn here 8,000 euro, roughly, I mean 8,000 euro gross per month. This is a decent salary for senior software developer, for example. You will pay with all deductions 30% from this money. So basically 70% you will see on your bank account. Yeah, now you understand that in Germany, for example, if you say to somebody that I'm working on 2 jobs because, and they're saying because of what? What you need? You need Rolex. You need to gather money, I don't know, to pay for your children's college. Everything is free. You don't need it. And why would you need Rolex? Why would you need Lamborghini or, I don't know, nice Porsche? You can, okay, you want new Tesla, okay, take a car loan and have it if you want it. Here, people like truly don't understand why you should work more. What is much more perceived here is like when you say, okay, I moved to 80% of my employment time because I have hobby and I want to have a couple of free days during the month in order to go hiking or, I don't know, cycling. This is not a joke. I'm not joking here. It happened with my boss when I just came here in Germany. I could not understand why this guy, he was not living in a luxury place, he didn't own luxury cars, he didn't earn like a crazy amount of money, but he like intentionally moved to 80% of his employment, that he like freely explained that yeah, I'm a big fan of cycling, I have 3 bicycles and I need time to use them. So I need additional days every month, and everybody understood it. No questions at all. But if you will tell somebody in Germany that you have 2 jobs and you are working 80 hours per week, they will truly like look at you with some suspicion, I would say. So what we have as a result, if you are young person, for example, married, you don't have children, you have good education, basically the Germany not the best place for you, and it's logical because you don't use this health system very often. Your health is still good, I hope. There is a very small chance that you will lose your job if you have a good education. So you don't need access for now to educational system. You don't have children here, but you still financing all this system. Yeah, in this case, this is definitely Germany is not for you. For whom is Germany? For people like me, for example. I'm not young. I already have, and my spouse have some health problems, so we need this constant health care system support here, and we are using it, I can say, pretty often, and really we don't pay anything for that, except dentist services. We have children. We need access to this education. We are getting all those payments for children here every month, and they are really like significant ones. I guess now you get it, what I meant by the German system does not encourage you to work a lot and to earn a lot, because every day in front of your eyes you see examples like people who work much less and who earn much less than you get the same things as you are. And of course this does not boost your motivation very much. But again, it very much depends on your life goals. And if, for example, you are interested in coming to Germany and you eventually will be looking for flat here, which is the very big pain here in Germany, watch one of the videos right now, which will explain you the situation. Thank you for watching today. See you in my next videos.